tight fit, mate.
Yeah.
It's all good. I would have offered to give you a hand,
Alright. That's it, man. So, what was your name, dude?
G.
G?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My name's Guillaume, but
Yeah, I'm Chris.
call me G.
G.
Caleb.
Yep, and Caleb.
Nice to meet
Nice
you,
to
mate.
meet you.
So yeah, now we'll give you a hand smashing this out, man. It shouldn't take too much because you don't have those bars.
Yep.
So yeah, really, it will just be bolting them up, putting the tray on, locking it all down properly, and you'll go away with a full roof rack.
Cool.
You want to time it? Let's make this really hard. Nah.
Nice pants, Caleb.
Thanks. They feel nice, eh?
Yeah, wow. No slobber on them either.
No slobber. That's the.
Once you take out your standard channel nuts, you want to really clean the surface. So we just quickly give it a vacuum, get all that big dirt out. You want to wax and grease remove it. So when you put those little tar pads down, which are these, actually gives you a proper seal. So this is what's replacing you from like all the silicone that you'd normally do. Big silicone dog, that's what's gonna hurt. That needs to be able to seal.
For the record.
Very nice, isn't it?
Sure is.
Yeah. Very well made. Good quality, for sure.
Why, we're paying you to say that or something.
So Rhino Rack will give you pretty much your most basic instructions throughout the whole process. You'll get vehicle specific for when you get the backbone. However, sometimes you'll need to get specific instructions for the tray setup for that backbone. So pretty easy, you go onto the Rhino Rack website. They've got all these documents on there. So you look up the vehicle specific. So today we're dealing with a Toyota Prado. Under his documents, fitting instructions, view kit instructions, view fitting chart. So we'll have a look at fitting instructions.
So it's probably best to do this first before you've started unboxing things, or?
Yes and no. This is the secret document that we were looking for.
Oh yeah.
Got it in our filing system.
Yes, online filing system. So the trays are designed and they've already got pre-drilled holes, but they don't fit every single make and manufacturer as well. So for the 150 series, there are 3 or 2 bolt holes, drill holes that you need to drill, 8.5mm, to allow you to put the crossbars on, which will then straight bolt up to the backbone brackets.
Yeah, cool.
That's it. Alright, so once these channels are clear and dried, you lay down your pads. It's like a tar-based sealant, a bit like a Sikaflex or something.
Just pre-drilled everything.
Yeah.
Pre-drilled them
You
out.
wanna go for with the little one and then the size that you need,
Yep.
but it's pretty relatively easy.
Yeah, cool.
Aluminium.
Enchanté. Dansez.
Perfect. So everything's tight. Well,
Backbone's on, torque down. So now we'll get the channel nuts put in the top, put the bars on the platform, and then sit it up on top. It's good to go. There's going to be all these cuts like, all right, next step. Next step.
next step.
Yeah, exactly.
What is the next step?
Alright, so next step is
Jeez.
putting these crossbars. So these will line up on our tray next. Let's get in these started.
They label it, make it nice and easy.
Yeah, set up for dummies, mate.
That's it.
Yep. Any office jock and full-blown carpenter can figure it out. So all you do is you want to have these facing sideways now. All those facing sideways, because that's what's going to drop it in.
We've got to slide it across from the side.
Yeah, so we get it a bit up. A bit above this, eh?
Jeez, don't go through the window.
Yep, there we go. Get yourself around the mirror if you want.
Yep.
She's on. Woo. So we're done.
Look at the rig now, mate. Have a look. Nice shot.
What's going on in here? Caught him in the act.
Dog distracting
That's
Jeff
it.
again.
That's it. Caught him in the act.
What are you doing? Stop distracting everyone with your cute looks.